Welcome to the Invent ERP family. We're thrilled to have you on board. Get ready to transform the way you manage your business. We're here to guide you through every step of the way, making it smooth, simple, and fun. In today's video, we'll be covering the Quick Setup feature, one of the most powerful tools in Invent ERP. With Quick Setup, you can configure your account in just 5 minutes, setting you up all important settings to get you started smoothly. To get started, you can access Quick Setup either from the home page or from the toolbar on the upper right-hand corner of the Invent ERP. This will take you directly to the Quick Setup page. The first section of Quick Setup is Company Data. Here, you can enter essential company details, including your tax and VAT ID, your company's official legal commercial registration, and more. This information is crucial for customizing the system to fit your business. And yes, do not forget to upload your company logo. Next, we move on to Accounting Data. This section allows you to set up your main currency and any additional active currencies you may be using while conducting operations. If needed, you can enable the American Accounting Practices option, which allows you to record the cost of goods as an expense when invoiced to the customer, rather than when they're received into inventory. We have a separate video on this feature. Consider watching for extra details. You also have the option to enable automatic currency rate updates. With this, Invent ERP will keep your currency rates updated at regular intervals, ensuring accuracy in your financial data. However, this option works in certain countries. Lastly, you can enable the default terms and conditions for your invoices, orders, and quotations. This allows you to preset the terms with the template of your choice, saving time and ensuring consistency. The next section is Bank Data. Here, you can enter your banking information. To add a bank, simply click the Quick Add icon. Provide details like the bank name, SWIFT code, and country. In the Tax Settings section, you can set up your tax preferences. Choose your default sales tax, which will automatically populate the tax fields when creating new products. You can also specify your default purchase tax for the same purpose. Additionally, you can define the tax return periodicity and select the journal in which you'd like to record your tax return information. Finally, you can customize your report header and footer to match your company's branding and preferences. This will define layout of reports and even quotes, bills and invoices within Invent ERP. We hope this tutorial was beneficial and now you have a better idea on how to get started with Invent ERP.